congratulations. So you just celebrated your third wedding anniversary with Tony, and that's so...
It's like, yay, he's here. It's like the golden anniversary in Hollywood, right?
Yeah.
It's like, we're halfway there.
You're halfway
we're
there.
We're halfway done.
If you can make it 6 years, you've done it.
I know, that was us on our vacation.
Where did you go?
Croatia. That's Tony's hat, really. Croatia, which I had no idea where it was. I don't know if you guys know where Croatia is, but I kept going, honey, where are we going? Russia? And he's like, Croatia.
It's supposed to be beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. You were on a boat out in the...
in the Adriatic Sea, and yeah. And it was, Tony surprises me every year. He won't tell me what we're going to do for the anniversary or my birthday.
You didn't know you were going there?
I knew we were going to Croatia, but like the day of our anniversary, he always planned something. So we went to this big castle, and he planned this dinner. Had some weird food, but it was really
But it's a
sweet.
castle, and it's romantic, so he surprises you all the time.
Yeah.
That's really...
Yeah.
Because you want to constantly be surprised and...
Yeah.
Right?
Are you going to scare me? Somebody
No.
behind me?
No.
I'm going to punch somebody.
Really? No.
Oh, okay.
He's good.
I'm not good. You're off. I'm sorry.
How you doing?
You sit here.
I think you knew because we shut the monitors off. Did you know something was
No,
happening?
your eyes were going.
No.
So you like surprises? No, and I was like,
No, they were not doing that. They were not.
this is funny. He's never been on your show. I mean,
I know. Here
he's
you are.
always here every time I do Ellen.
And now finally we got you out here, but you
First
didn't
time.
have a lot of time to creep up. I thought the audience was going to give you away
I
anyway.
did one step and...
One step.
She's
I'm
good.
good.
She's
He
good.
can't get anything by me.
right.
I'm like, no, huh, babe?
I
that's
surprised
very
you when
romantic.
I proposed. When I proposed, I surprised you.
Yeah, it
when I
was a
proposed.
surprise.
So he surprised you with the proposal.
It
No.
was such a surprise.
It was not a surprise.
It was a surprise.
Babe.
I'm kidding myself.
But that is romantic. The Croatia trip and the castle.
No,
and the-
Right, did I not know where Croatia was? I can't.
Yeah, the day before we left, she had no idea where we were going.
Had you been there before?
Yes.
I've
been
heard
there
it's
with
beautiful.
basketball. Yeah, it's
Gorgeous.
beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
And historic, and they have
Yeah.
the best Italian food because it was ruled by Italians for so long.
Right.
Huh, babe?
No, we had fun. It was a great
All right,
trip.
so we're gonna later on, you're gonna volunteer to get in the dunk tank to raise money for breast cancer. And you're gonna dunk him.
You and I.
No.
It might take a while.
All
no?
right.
She's scared she's gonna miss. I
I'm
said,
scared
"You
I'm gonna
can't
miss, and then I'm an athlete's wife, and then he's gonna be made fun of in the locker room that his wife sucks.
Just because you're married to him, you're supposed to be an athlete?
Yes, I'll be at work and I'll throw like a banana peel and I'll miss the trash and they go, oh, Robbie. I'm like, I'm not the athlete. I can
Right.
miss the
All right, then
banana
I'll help you. I'm not
Okay.
that good either, but
Okay.
I'll help you. So he really begged to get dunked.
He really wanted to.
Okay, good. It's for a good cause.
I think he said because he doesn't think I'll hit it. That's why.
All right. Well, we can take turns. You start out.
All right, okay, ready, babe?
Yeah.
Oh. A lot of force in that. Oh, that's terrible. Wow! Oh, that's terrible.
Okay, you're going down. There we go.
Okay, 2 more, it's over.
Okay. I'm getting worse.
You're like a tennis player, like that. Every time.
This is so exciting. Okay, babe, here, really, seriously, get ready.
Come on, man.
All right.
I know my hands hurt. Hold on, wait.
Baby, seriously, baby.